Not filming. Oh yeah, guys. Right now I'm going to be making an aluminum foil airplane. Don't know why. And it's so loud. It's like over 9,000. And also, watch my friend Slendy Blocks. Slendy Blocks 1212. I haven't really met him, but so this video is going to be uploaded late. So I'm just going to make it. I think this is from the book. Can you let him out? So what you want to do, if you're going to make a paper airplane, or an aluminum foil airplane, then you want to take something like this, then you want to fold it in half. And guys, this is going to be a lot harder than a normal paper airplane, because you guys can probably see right now, this stuff doesn't fold very easily. Look, you guys should have something like this for the second shape, and you want to kit the edges like this, and then you want to, you guys know what to do. If you guys know how to make a paper airplane, then all you have to do is that with a piece of tin foil. Shush! And if you guys don't know how to, you guys can go and look at my video on how to make a paper airplane. And yeah, guys, by the way, the first one's a dud. It doesn't really work, but the second one flies pretty good. So, and that's in my paper airplane video. Guys, so if you guys know how to make a paper airplane, stop and you have it like this. Well, you don't have to stop, but I'm stopping to show you guys. And then you just want to... Something good right now? Then I'm just flattening out the tip really, really good. Whoa, look how smooth my tip is. Guys, look how smooth it is. And then you want to do the last step of making a paper airplane. And I would put a wing on it, like the wing that sticks up from the top, but that's going to be way harder than any other step for this aluminum foil plane. Okay guys, I kind of have the shape done right now. I'm just flattening it out. Then I ended up with something that looks really bad. So let's throw it. Well, if you guys like bad paper airplanes, this is the perfect video for you, because this aluminum foil airplane doesn't work that well. I need to flatten out the wings. Maybe this will fly better. Oh, nope, it landed down there on the steps. But that is the end of this video. So please like, subscribe. I don't know. And please like, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section down below what I should make a paper airplane out of next. Ooh. I could try and make an airplane out of plates. So, guys, that's the end of this video, so bye!